YouTube, it's another day, man. Y'all see me out here in my pack game. Y'all ain't got your merch, man. Y'all need to go get your merch. Scatpackblack.com. And before we get into this video, man, y'all hit that bell right now. Hit that like button, all that good stuff. But yeah, we about to go to this car show. Me, hemilife44, hey Richie, Drew, my boy Josh. Yeah, we about to go ahead and hit this car show. We was supposed to go yesterday. I ain't go. I ended up recording a little bit of Lonzo, dropping the rims off, and had to go home because my son got sick. But we out today. And this car show gonna be much better, so I'll show y'all what we're working with out here today. See my boy, hey Richie. Boy Josh. The boys out there. Drew. Everybody car about to get a new look, y'all. Except him, like, I don't know what he gonna do. He gonna do something. He go ahead and take these factors out. I'm in DeMarcus.
I ain't staying there long, bro.
Yeah, we can go now.
No, I'm talking about I ain't staying up there.
I know.
I gotta wait to stop. I almost pulled up to y'all.
Nah.
I gotta wait to stop.
Man, we go ahead and burn out.
Drive and go all the way.
Alright.
Yeah, man. I was like,
Man. I don't know what the hell is going on. See? Kids. Do not do drugs. I ain't never picked up one. Okay, buddy. Yo, YouTube, we left that other car show we was at, man. They were charging $30 just to walk in there. Go see if we can find them real quick. Sebastian called me. He said, "Where you at?" I say, "Shit, somewhere in the minivan."
how
been out here, brother?
Just walked up.
Yeah. Smell that barbecue.
Glad they ain't got that music on right now.
Smell that barbecue.
Ooh, that thing there. Yeah, I'm finna go get some of that. I might do that color. I like that. Ooh, I like that. That's badass. A lot of stuff out here. Boy, Toxic Storm here.
Man, it's like your old car.
Nah, mine's more green. Let's see what hemilife got going back here. And what was back there?
I mean, it's look. You might as well just wait to get him pulling out.
Oh, that thing that clean, boy. You right. That thing that clean. Up under that tent.
Okay, as we get ready to give out the awards here, just want to take a minute to thank our sponsors, the Rebel, for sponsoring the show today.
Finna get this while the music off.
I want to thank Integrity Allstate and Elite.
See Toxic Storm right here.
Clean and Restoration.
Toxic Storm at? Oh, that's the Z right there?
Z right there. Look, he's sitting down over there.
Hey, why you get another one though?
That's what he do.
What you got
Auto Detailing.
Yellow color.
We want to thank Aaron Heber.
All this stuff. Big Chrysler. All right. Big V6. Should have brought my car. I didn't feel like I would have put it in there with nothing in the inside. I know. What we got in here? Get one of those. Let me get one of those. I ain't never had one of those. Tootsie Tarts. Got them old schools out here. My boy Jay wrapped that. Got the bike to match. This is his and hers. I always see them at old school car shows. Somebody setting off alarms. Richmond? Why you setting off alarms?
Man, that wasn't me, bro. What you eating, bro?
About that candy thing over there?
You stole some folks' candy?
$301, sir. There you The class winner is Mark Fairliner with his 2015
Fine, clean.
Yeah, because he's got factory AC and everything.
First place, Robert Sibbs with his 1992 Ford Mustang. First place winner, Mustang.
What? Toxic Storm.
Pack gang hanging up in the back.
What's up?
Black. Here, let's graduate you up.
What we got here? Oh, we got gave me a sticker.
I told you too much for me, man.
Gave me a sticker.
Class winner,
I need to get some of
Do it
these.
like that.
Sarah
What you been doing, man?
winner 33.
Working on my insides.
1933.
Get the SEMA ready.
His 2019 Chevy Grand Sport. I don't know if this guy's ever won a prize. This Bodie. Bodie's got it again.
I know. I'm thinking why. That's why I walked over here.
First place goes to Tom Carr for his 2015 Chevy Corvette.
Like the hood, boy.
Tom.
The hood, baby. The hood.
Special interest. The class trophy goes to Aaron Stainer for his 1992
Oh,
Ford
man.
Mustang SSB.
Look at it. That was not bad neither. Not bad.
First place goes to Ken and Tina Buss for their 2014 Chevy.
Dang it.
Ken
I was about to
and
Nemesis.
Tina
That's
Class winner in the under construction.
All the engines popping out over here.
Chevy Coupe Steve and Shirley
Everything with the
Hawkins.
engine popping out over here.
yeah. Everything over here doing wheelies. They doing wheelies over
Look,
here.
boy, I got the model car up there.
Steve and Shirley Hawkins.
Wheelies over
Class
here.
winner 1937.
I'm about to go ahead and get mine, bro.
Place in the under construction.
You need to get yours.
Dwayne Hensley.
Your little model.
1972 Chevy Camaro.
Huh?
I gotta wait to see my car cost over here.
See? Here we go. C10.
Truck. Goes to Ed.
It's me right here.
Class trophy for his
I'm definitely getting one.
Chevy C10.
Hey, see that? You hear that? Chevy C10 just won. Better get an award too.
So nice.
Oh, big as shit. LS3.
Try to get most of these cars pulling out for y'all. I'm staying here till they pull today out. Ain't trying to look at cars out here.
Yeah, they are. That thing. I'll see this though. Bet. Oh, this might be my boy. There are cars everywhere. Cars everywhere.
Mustang 79 and older, the class trophy goes to Mo Lifers, 66 Ford Mustang. Joe Blood
Huh?
In first place goes to Justin Lawson.
Bring that.
1966 Ford Mustang. Justin Lawson. In the Camaro class, 67 to 81, class trophy goes to Frank Sparrow for his 1967 Chevy. Good job. First place goes to Patty William for her 1969 Chevy Camaro. Patty William, come get your trophy.
My boy car. We be at every car show. This is our boy car. He be at every car show.
There she is. For 80s to 90s car, the class trophy goes to Kenny James for his 94 Pontiac 25th anniversary Trans Am. There it is.
That's some good work.
First place goes to Chris Donahue for his 1987 Ford Mustang GT. Good job. 350s car. The class trophy goes to Don Mullins for his 1937 Ford Slant Black. And first place goes to Randall Pope for his 1947 Mercury 8. Randall Pope.
There are cars everywhere here.
Where's Randall?
There are cars all back here. Lambo. There are cars. Where you walking today? AMG. I'll catch the Lambo.
In the bagged or lowrider category, Aaron Evans takes first place for the 1998 Toyota Tacoma.
Huh?
Bagged or lowered, first place. Bagged or lowered, Aaron Evans.
Thanks, Mark.
Come get your trophy. Here she is. Good job, Aaron. For 90 or newer Mopar, the class trophy goes to Cody Miller for his 2019 Dodge Charger.
That's charging. Let me see what that is. Look at this thing.
First place goes to John Jones for his 2009 Dodge Challenger RT.
John just won.
Right here we go. In 2000, a newer truck.
Two Vipers
The
back
class
there.
trophy goes to Jennifer Garcia for his 2020 Chevy High Country.
No. See, that Challenger won first place.
What challenge?
John,
That red one back there?
the one that's over there. 90s and up car.
Wow. I might as well just pay to get in here then.
Viper thing. That was a big ass tire. One of those Corvettes we just seen just won.
60s to 70s trucks. Class
See?
trophy
That challenge that just won
goes
first.
to the man that started this whole
That was
thing
hard,
and
dude.
garage
Huh?
for his
That was hard.
1960
Nice.
C10
Truck.
Oh, yeah.
Pay attention to detail, y'all.
Without them, there wouldn't be an MSD.
The detail in it. Got the rims hydro dip.
Julio Garcia for his 69 Chevy
The
C10.
rims hydro dip. Yes, the dash.
There he is. In the muscle car category.
All this up under here.
Charles Tuning for a 66 Chevy Nova.
They color hard right there.
First place goes to
Different.
Misty for her 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle. There's Misty. Good job. She was here early this morning.
Oh, that's cool.
Very good.
That's a Lincoln back there.
Arrow, 82 and newer. Last trophy goes to Kenny Henderson.
I ain't no Lincoln.
2014 Chevy Camaro.
Where you going? That's all I'm leaving over there.
You said what?
First place.
Got the Scatpack over there. Boy, getting all the footage on the road. Outside the Cadillac. Get my little model car. They all got model cars. I bet that trunk big as hell.
I want a classic class. That doesn't bring it like that. I like the steering
But they to move. Where? Police thing.
I ain't getting shit, but I'm happy.
Truck crazy though. Truck crazy. Hey man, too much bird shit dropping over here. Bird might drop some shit on you. I ain't in that tree. Don't run now. Lambo. Look what side he driving on. See what side he driving on? I could not drive on the right side, bro. I'm getting one of these. Might not be this year, but I'm getting one. Mine's probably gonna be a newer year. Ferrari. They're gonna be trying to get out here forever. It's gonna take about an hour to clear all this out. Somebody gotta stop traffic back there. Go ahead. Look, Hey, we don't want no way. He should have gave you a little something. He should have gave you a little something then. I bet these buckets fly out of them motherfuckers. Supercharged. Here we go. What you gonna do, brother? Go ahead, get down. Oh shit. Everybody wrecked. He ain't got it. Big Harley. Hey man. That might be his mama's car. That might be her car. She let him drive it. Oh, somebody was down there getting sideways in that Challenger. Nah, you should have seen that Challenger when he took out just now. Motorcycle scared. He thought he about to get hit.
Man, nice to meet you, man, in person, man. I follow you, baby. You doing big things, man. Keep it up, brother. You driving, man. Keep it up, man.
Boy. Boy, famous. Told y'all my boy be expiring people. Inspiring people, my bad, I said expiring. Hey man.
Ain't nobody talking about
I'm preaching. Nah.
He say you be inspiring people.
Nah, he switched it up. He said something. What he said?
I say expiring. I ain't trying to say expiring. I ain't trying to say that though. I missed it trying to make sure. He about to do something. Yeah. Look, he ready. Look, he ready. I knew he was ready. Uh-oh. 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 He tried. Uh-oh. Now you better do something sounding like that. He is too. I see his hand. His hand ready. There you go. Damn. That damn wheel look like it's about to come out, boy. He about to go crazy. Boy. He about to. He was doing it back there. It was the thought. Yeah. A lot of traffic now. He ain't there. Bro, get the oxygen mask on. I know he would.
Big old dudes in them vests.
Bet game. I bet game kill on our side of town. I bet game killing that game. The vet game on our side killing that. Power steering.
Yeah, no,
That nigga trying hard as hell. Those some real vatos right there.